had the cardinal right in front of me and turned the camera off, not on. It is so pretty. It looked like a newbie cardinal. Somebody's brave. It's walking all around me. Come here. For your braveness. Come here. Come here. Look. That's a walnut. Are you being brave and exploring? Look at that. He's got to have a name. One of these days I have to go through the videos and take pictures of all our faces so that I know who the new ones are. So let me just, I think as long as I sit here, he will be back. So let me just wait. What's my battery?